Hello everyone, welcome back to channel, and today I'll tell you how you can add a shortcut to your iPhone lock screen just over here. What you need to do is you just need to go into the edit screen on your lock screen. Just tap on it and it will show you unlock to edit, and then tap again. It will show you enter passcode. Just put a passcode on your phone and a screen like this will come up. Now afterwards you see that there's a customized option. Just tap on it and two screens will go up. One is lock screen, another is home screen. We just need to edit the home screen, lock screen. Just go over it and you see that a screen like this will come up. To add the widget, you see that you just need to tap on it and an option of adding a widget over here is come up. You just need to swipe up and you see that there is an option of shortcuts here. Just put an app over here and just tap on it and you see that it will come up. If we delete the other two things, we can add 4 shortcuts in our widget section. Okay, so now to edit this shortcut, you just need to tap on your shortcut which you want to perform, like, and I ask it go to ChatGPT and start new conversation. Okay, or whatever from your GPT option. Okay, so that's how you can set it up. And to continue it, and we're gonna try it now. I'm just putting it down, and to try it now, just log in, enter your passcode. Just log in, tap on it, enter your passcode, and it will directly go to your iPhone voice recognition for ChatGPT.
Hi, glad to meet you.
Okay, so it's working.
Great work
So that's how you can set up the shortcuts in your iPhone. I hope this video is helpful, and if you still want any other question related to this, just leave a comment and I'll get back to you. Until next video, bye bye.